to be showing you how you can participate in the Core free airdrop. Core is also the same thing as Satoshi BTC, which you already have on your mobile phone. Alright, to do that, all you have to do is to come here, click on me, because you need to upgrade your old app to the latest one. So click on me. Alright, scroll down, then click on download. So when you click on download, alright, still loading. I want it to load. Alright, so once you get here, just copy. You can see copy URL. You copy it. So once you copy it, you take it to your Chrome. Take it to Chrome. See my Chrome here. Take it to Chrome. Then all you have to do is, paste the code. Can you see? You paste it. You paste it right there. Okay, I guess it's network. Okay, so once it pops up, click download Android application. So when you do that, it will automatically sign you in to your main account, as you can see here. So it's going to give you something like this, something like this. Now, to participate in the free airdrop, all you have to do is to come here where there's project, click on project. You can see that. So when you click on project, it will take you here. So look at here, right here, the tax token for test project have no value. Exactly here. Then you click here. Can you see now? So when you click here, you will see something right here where the exist airdrop was written. You will see participate in airdrop. You click there. So when you click, you will have something like this. So just come straight down here. Then you click on claim hash. You claim it. So when you click on that, you can see that. So this is what I did. So you have to wait for 24 hours before you can get the 50k hash. I have 10 hours left right now. Okay, so now you go back. This is for test coin A. So we are going to do the same thing for test coin B. You can see here test coin B. Then you come here again, right here, you click on it. Then you come here, exactly here again. You will see participate in airdrop. You click on participate. Alright, so you go back again. Then you come here to test coin C. Then you click here again. The test token for test project have no value. Alright, so when you click that, you come here again, you click on participate in airdrop. Alright, so all you have to do now, if you have done that, just go and relax, click on airdrop, then go and relax. Alright, so after some hour, you can just come. You can see here, you see it said participate in 2 round airdrop. So you have to come here and come and claim it. Maybe 24 hours or 3 hours or 4 hours. Just come back here and claim. So when I claim this, you will see that my coin TCA, TCB. Let me open the third one. You can see that. See my TCA, TCB, TCC. You can see. So all these are just for testing, and it will last for 7 days. Sure you get. So it doesn't have value. All those coin doesn't have value right now. It's just for you to be able to understand. So when we get to mainnet, how you can participate in airdrop to earn more, to earn free airdrop, which can be monetized rather. All right. So you go back and to go and claim your free airdrop. So just click on claim. All right. You can see everything has went down. See, there's increase in my coin. You can see everything has changed. Everything has changed. So that is how to participate. And likewise, you can also use this opportunity to invite people. Just click on increase income, then copy your URL, then invite people. The more people you invite, the more opportunity for you to earn coin. So another way you can also have access to the project is once you open your app, after you have upgraded it, just come to here, add projects. You can see, so it will show you all the available projects. All you have to do is to come here and click, when you click on it, you will see participate in airdrop here. So approve it. So when you do that, you will see successful here. You will see successful. So go back and don't forget to always come to check to claim your free airdrop. All these are just for testing, understand? So this will enable you to know how the new app works. All right. And finally, congratulations if you have been mining Core. Before they were Satoshi BTC, now they upgraded to Core. So it's still the same thing. So hopefully by 26 we start the real airdrop that you can monetize, and gradually we get to our mainnet. Then we know the price of our Core. So, and I believe this project is going to change a lot of life. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. I'm begging you, please do so. Thank you. Without you, there will be no me. Please subscribe and like my videos. See you. And please, if you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to me on WhatsApp. And to everyone that have always been coming to my WhatsApp, I really, really appreciate you. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.